Good morning, moms, dads, grannies, or whoever else is helping me with the little ones this morning. This is possibly a very good lesson for the children to watch with you this morning. Good morning, grade ones. We have got a bunch of jelly babies lying on the table here today, and we're going to sort them into different colors. Right, so I know that you did a lot of this last year with Auntie Magda and Auntie Andrea. Right, I'm going to start with the green, and I'm going to put the green ones together, and then the black ones. When I was at school, my friend loved the black ones. She ate them all. And then the white ones or the yellow ones can come and lie over here, and then the orange ones over there. And this was my favorite color, the red ones, but there's only one red one. Oh my dear. Right, so now we're going to learn to draw a graph. A graph we need if we want to get some information about something. And I'll show you just now what kind of information we can get from a graph. All right, so we're going to start with the yellow ones. We're going to count how many yellow ones there are. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4. If there are 4, we must draw 4 dots on top of the yellow bear. So if there are 4 jelly babies, we need to draw 4 dots. But we have to start right at the bottom. See, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, I'm not going to do this neatly because I have to do it fast, but you're going to do it very neatly, I know. We're going to color this in. And there we've got 4 blocks because we've got 4 jelly babies. There we are. 4 yellow blocks for 4 jelly babies. The next one is green. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2. So if there are 2 green jelly babies, we need 2 green dots. Do you remember that I said that you must start at the bottom? We're going to make 1, 2, and that's enough because we've only got 2. We can't make 3 there, see? And then when we've done that, we're going to color it in, and we're only going to color in the ones that have got the dot in them, see? There we go. It's really, really not very nice. And you know what? I wouldn't give myself a star today for neatness, that's for sure. Right, the next color is red. There's 1 red jelly baby. So I have to draw 1 red dot. Where shall I draw it? At the top or at the bottom? Yes, we must put it at the bottom here. Only 1 because there's only 1 jelly baby. And then we can color it in again. Mrs. Kingwell is going to get into trouble with this ugly work. Now we've got orange. Let's count how many orange jelly babies there are. 1, 2 orange jelly babies. So we need 2 orange dots, and we're going to start at the bottom. 1, 2. Let's color that in, and remember we only color in the ones that have got dots in them. There we are. Sorry, I must do this quickly, otherwise you're going to watch for an awfully long time. There we are. And the last one is the black ones. 1, 2, 3 black ones means 1, 2, 3 black dots. And we have to start at the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And then we can color it in nicely. There we are. All right, there we've got a graph. Can you see how the graph works? We've drawn the graph nicely. Now I'm going to push those to one side, and I'm going to bring this a little bit closer so that you can see it. Now, what kind of things can we learn from a graph like this? The first thing we can look at, we can see which color is colored in the most blocks. So which color is the most, is what they would ask you. Which color is the most? Actually, they mean which blocks that have got yellow in almost. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one's got 1, 2, 3. So which one do you think is the most? This one is the most here. because these are all smaller than this. They are less than that one. That's definitely the most. Which one do you think is the least? Yes, the red one is the least. Can you see? It's only got one, and all the others have got more than one. So yellow has the most. Red has the least. Right, now the next question I know that they will ask you is, they will say, which two colors have got the same amount? Let's see. Can you tell me? There's nothing else that's got 4. There are 2 green ones and there are 2 orange ones. So those ones have the same amount. Green has 2 blocks and orange has 2 blocks. Right, now I'm going to ask you, I know this is a hard question and they always ask it in the assessment. So listen very, very carefully and see if you understand. And Mom, this is something that you can practice wherever you go. See, when you're busy in the kitchen with something, you can even put out some peas and see if they can do it. I want to know which of 2 columns has got an extra one. Okay, or an extra blocks, not just one. So then orange has got 2 blocks. Black has got 3 blocks. All right. How many extra ones does black have? You see, orange has got 2 and black has also got 2. But black has got this one over here, and that's an extra one because that one hasn't got an extra one. You see, he's got an extra one, he hasn't got one. So black has 1 extra one. If we look at these 2, yellow, there are 4 yellow blocks and there are 2 green blocks. How many extra yellow blocks are there? There's 1, 2. This one has also got 1, 2, but it's got some extra ones that he hasn't got. He's got 1, 2 extra ones. So he's got 2 extra ones. If we look at green and red, green has got 2, red has only got 1. How many extra ones does green have? The green and the red both have 1, but he's got an extra one that he doesn't have. So green has got 1 extra one. Okay, let me show you this. There's a sorting page in your book that I want you to do, and then this one as well. See? You will know exactly how to do this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you will put 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with your pink crayon, and then color them pink. And you will do it with all of the others. And then this question says the something or the most. Have a look at which one is the most. Look at its color and look at its shape. And draw the shape in the right color on the line. And the next one says the something or the least. Have a look which one is the least. Look at the color and the shape and draw it over there. Okay, children, have fun.